Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss UGC NET question paper that is mainly focused on philosophy. And if you feel that this video is helpful for you, please do subscribe, like and comment. So let's get started. So our first question is select the code that contains the three Kantian postulates of morality. Option A, freedom, will and intuition. Option B, freedom, God and immorality. Option C, freedom, knowledge and emotion. Option D, necessity, category and sensibility. After every question, I will give you 3 seconds to choose your answers. The right answer for this question is option number B. Freedom, God, and morality are the three Kantian postulates of morality. Now, question number 2. Hatred and attachment, according to Yoga School of Philosophy, belongs to option A. Kaleshas, option B. Chitta Bhumis, option C. Yam, option D. Niyam. So there are five kinds of kaleshas in yoga philosophy. First, avidya, ignorance. Second, asmita, yoga. Third, raga, attachment. Fourth, aversion. Fifth, fear of death. So these are the five kinds of kaleshas that in yoga philosophy talked about. So the right answer will be option number A, kaleshas. Now question number 3, that is what is the moral criteria selected by Charva? Option A, intuitive. Option B, rationalistic. Option C, hedonistic. Option D, eudaimonistic. The right answer is option number C, hedonistic. Hedonistic means pleasure. Now, question number 4. A man who seeks pleasure and fails to get it is facing the paradox of option A, eudaimonism, option B, hedonism, option C, rigorism, option D, altruism. The right answer for this question is option number B, hedonism. Now, question number 5. Select the code that contain two theories of punishment. Option A, reactionary and reassuring. Option B, retributive and reformative. Option C, preventive and reactionary. Option D, reassuring and retributing. So the right answer for this question is option number B, that is retributive and reformative. Now, question number 6, that is who among the following worked for the upliftment of women by way of opposing Sati Pratha? Option A, Dayanand Saraswati. Option B, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Option C, Mahatma Gandhi. Option D, Vallabhbhai Patel. The right answer for this question is option number B, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Now, question number 7. Kant has explained moral theories in option A, the critique of pure reason, option B, the critique of practical reason, option C, religion with limits of reason, option D, none of the above. The right answer for this question is option number B, the critique of practical reason. Now, question number 8, that is intuitionism is dash intuitionalism. Now, question option A, that is equivalent to, option B, similar to, option C, distinct from, option D, none of these. The right answer for this question is institutionalism is distinct from institutionalism. Now, we will go on to the next question, that is question number 9. Categorical imperatives command dash. Option A, conditionally. Option B, unconditionally. Option C, neither A nor B above. Option D, both A and B above. The right answer for this question is option number B, unconditional. And conditional will go with hypothetical imperatives. Now we will go on to the next question, that is question number 10. Which system rejects theology, happiness, or practical consequences as the basis for morality? Option A, realism. Option B, institutionalism. Option C, critical idealism. Option D, utilitarianism. The right answer for this question is option number C, critical idealism. Now, question number 11. The figure of a syllogism is determined by the position of option A, major term, option B, middle term, option C, minor term, option D, capula. The right answer for this question is option number B, middle term. So we can determine the position uh, through middle term. Now, question number 12, that is, in a valid syllogism, the middle term must be distributed in the option A, major premise, option B, minor premise, option C, in any one of the premises, option D, conclusion. The right answer for this question is option number C, in any one of the premises. So now the next question. Question number 13. The truth and falsehood characterize in option A propositions, option B arguments, option C both propositions and argument, option D neither proposition nor arguments. The right answer for this question is option number A propositions. Now question number 14, that is, in universal negative proposition, which of the following terms is are distributed? Option A subject term, option B predicate term, option C neither subject term nor predicate term, option D both subject and predicate term. The right answer for this question is option number D, both subject and predicate term. Now we will go on to the 15 question, that is, indicate which one of the following pairs refer to E and O preposition. Option A, no men are good, some men are not good. Option B, all men are good, some men are good. Option C, all men are good, no men are good. Option D, some men are good, some men are not good. The right answer for this question is option number A, no men are good, some men are good. So no men are good will go with E preposition, some men are not good will go with O preposition. Now we will go on to the next question, that is question number 16. Select the pair of contrary preposition. Option A, I, O preposition. Option B, A, E preposition. Option C, A, O preposition. Option D, E, I preposition. You have to tell contrary preposition. The right answer for this is option number B. E and E are to be considered as contrary proposition. Now, question number 17. P wedge is false when option A, P is true and Q is true. Option B, P is true and Q is false. Option C, P is false and Q is true. Option D, P is false and Q is false. The correct answer for this question is option number D. P is false and Q is false. Then P which Q is false. Then question number 18. A statement from that has only true substitution instances is called option A tautology, option B contradiction, option C contingent, option D implication. The right answer for this question is option number A tautology. Now, question number 19. If A and B are true statement and X and Y are false statement, the compound statement negation A which X is, you have to solve these questions. So we all know that negation, guys, there will be some difficulty, so you have to manage. Yeah, A is true and which X is false. Now, T wedge F will be true and this will be negation true. Then our answer will be false because negation true is equal to false. So our answer will be option number B, false. Now question number 20. Which one of the following religious worship scripture as the ideal of divinity? Option A, Hinduism. Option B, Christianity. Option C, Jainism. Option D, Sikhism. So which of the religion worships scriptures as the ideal of divinity? The right answer for this question is option number D, Sikhism. Now, question number 21, that is, which of the following pair of religion could be considered as non-theistic in perspective? Option A, Judaism, Christianity. Option B, Islam, Zoroastrianism. Option C, Jainism, Buddhism. Option D, Hinduism, Sikhism. You have to tell about the religion which is non-theistic in perspective. The right answer for this question is option number D, Hinduism and Sikhism. Now, question number 22. Which of the following set of religions believe in the concept of salvation? Option A, Jainism and Islam. Option B, Islam and Christianity. Option C, Hinduism and Christianity. Option D, Buddhism and Jainism. The right answer for this question is option number C, Hinduism and Christianity. Now we will go on to the next question, that is question number 23. Which of the following set of religions can be formed as Semitic religions? Option A, Islam, Jainism, Judaism. Option B, Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism. Option C, Hinduism, Islam, Christianity. Option D, Judaism, Christianity, Islam. Now, Semitic religions mean religion that is founded in Western Asia. So, which will be the correct answer, guys? You have to tell me. The right answer is option number D, Judaism, Christianity, Islam. Now we'll go on to the next question, question number 24. Consider list 1 and list 2 and select the code correctly matched. List 1, Hinduism, option B, Zoroastrianism, option C, Jainism, option D, Christianity. List 2nd, Bible, 2nd, Avesta, 3rd, Bhagavad Gita, 5th, Tattvartha Sutra. So we will do match. So Hinduism will go with Bhagavad Gita. Now Zoroastrianism will go with Avesta. Jainism will go with Tattvartha Sutra. And Christianity will go with Bible. So our right answer will be option number D. Now we'll go on to the next question, that is question number 25. Name the author of the celebrated article on denoted. Option A, Quine. Option B, Davidson. Option C, Russell. Option D, Frege. The right answer for this question is option number C, Russell. So Russell talked about on denoting. And now we'll go on to the question number 26. Frege makes a distinction between the following. Option A, sense and common sense. Option B, sense and reference. Option C, sense and truth condition. Option D, sense and nonsense. The right answer for this question is option number B, sense and reference. Now, question number 27. According to J.L. Austin, the locutionary act is the act of option A, saying something grammatically and intelligently. Option B, doing something in making the utterance. Option C, doing something by saying something. Option D, all of the above. The right answer for this question is option number A, saying something grammatically and intelligently. Now we'll go on to the next question, question number 28. That is, according to whom language function not on the sentence to sentence basis but as a whole. Option A, Frege. Option B, Russell. Option C, Early Wittgenstein. Option D, Coin. The right answer for this question is option number D, Coin. Now, question number 29. P.F. Strawson's metaphysics is called option A, descriptive, option B, revisionary, option C, idealistic, option D, nihilistic. The right answer for this question is option number A, descriptive. So, P.F. Strawson's metaphysics is called descriptive. Now, question number 30, that is our last question for this session. The invariable relation between Hetu and Sadhya in Nyaya philosophy is known as option A, Paramarsh, option B, Anumana, option C, Vyapti, option D, comparison. The right answer for this question is option number C, Vyapti. Thank you everyone for watching my channel. If you feel that this video is helpful for you, please do subscribe, like and comment and press the bell icon for getting the updated videos.